Hi guys, this is my second recipe from this month's BBC Good Food magazine because the last one was really rich for this heat we've been having. So I chose this pasta alla Checca, or pasta with raw sauce. A lot easier to cook and eat in really fine weather. It's so delicious and simple. The sauce can be thrown together in the time it takes to boil the pasta. Although I am making it in advance because in this heat the last thing I need to be doing is rushing. So I'm starting by weighing 200 grams of cherry tomatoes. Ones on the vine are probably best. Then halve them all and add them to a large mixing bowl. Next, weigh out 20 grams of capers. If yours are coated in salt, then you might want to rinse them and add them to the bowl with the tomatoes. Next, the recipe requires 100 grams of whole olives that you then go and pit yourself, but I can't be bothered doing that, so I'm just using 80 grams roughly of pitted olives. Then coarsely chop them up. The recipe says to quarter them, but there's no need to be that precise. Add them to the tomatoes and capers. Then peel a clove of garlic and with a microplane grater, finely grate it into the bowl with the other sauce ingredients. If you want to, you can just really finely chop this with a knife, but if you have a microplane, I suggest use it. Now take a fresh chilli, de-seed it and finely chop it up before you add it to the bowl too. Now take a ball of buffalo mozzarella. These should be a standard enough weight, maybe about 125 grams or thereabouts, and cut it or tear it into 2 centimeter pieces. Then add it to the sauce ingredients along with 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and give everything a really good mix. Then take a large heat-proof serving bowl and warm it in a cool oven, about 60 degrees Celsius. Then bring a large pot of salted water to the boil and add 320 grams of dried spaghetti. Follow the packet instructions until cooked to al dente. In the meantime, chop up 3 tablespoons of parsley and add a handful of fresh basil leaves. Take the serving bowl out of the oven once the pasta is cooked. Add the pasta and the sauce ingredients and stir to combine. A tongs is actually really handy for this. Taste it and, if necessary, season with more sea salt and black pepper. Then add in the chopped herbs and mix them up again briefly before you add in 100 grams of ricotta in small little spoonfuls. Then just plate up and dig in. Thanks a million for watching, guys. I really hope you liked this video and this recipe. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. You can check me out on social media if you like. You'll find all the links to my accounts in the description, as well as the link to my blog where you'll find this full recipe at www.wikicook.org.